Maggie, you like this? You don't? Is it sneezy? Sneeze, sneeze. I thought for a second you took it. Aye. Why so angry? You don't like this? Not at all? No, it's not for eating. It's about to sneeze your nose. Sneeze. Oops. I got attached in his nose like right here. You don't like this? I made it wet. Sneeze, sneeze. You don't like this at all? Don't keep it down if you don't like it. But you love your fish. Look at me. Maggie. You're so adorable. Maggie, look at me. Look at this cute fish.